Hi, I'm Jared with Fun Science Demos. We're back with something new we're calling Ask Alexa, where we ask Alexa a science question. Sometimes her answers can be a little tricky to understand, so we go back and try and explain the science in her explanation in a simple way. We may leave some of the complicated things out because we're looking to give a very basic understanding. Today, we're going to look at how vaccines work. Now, keep in mind that the vaccine for COVID works a little bit differently than the types of vaccines we're going to be explaining. So let's get started. Hey Alexa, how do vaccines work?
Here's what I found on reference.com. Vaccines work by exposing the patient's immune system to potentially dangerous pathogens, which can be weakened or dead, and stimulating an immune response that confers protection when the patient encounters the virus in the wild. According to the New York State Department of Health, vaccines train the patient's body to produce antibodies specific to the strain of pathogen in the vaccine.
Now, Alexa used some very big words, so let's go back and try to explain what she said.
So think of it like this. Imagine that your body is a castle or a fortress. You would have guards posted all around to keep out harmful bad guys and invaders. Sometimes those invaders sneak in anyway, and they start to cause problems and mess things up inside the castle and do some damage. The guards may never have seen these strange invaders before, and they don't know that the invaders are bad. It may take them a while to figure it out, giving those invaders extra time to do more damage before the guards can attack and protect the fortress. Once the guards fight off those bad invaders, they remember what they look like so they can fight them again if they ever sneak back in. It's kind of like hanging up wanted posters all over the castle so the guards know what the bad guys look like and what to look for.
Now, the same thing happens in your body. It's just that the cells that make up our bodies are small, really small, and the viruses are way smaller. Scientists actually need special microscopes just to see them.
Just like that castle, your body has guards to protect you from the bad invaders. The guards are white blood cells and other cells in your immune system that fight off those germs. The invaders are viruses that could make you sick. Coughing, sneezing, and fevers are all a result of your body fighting those invaders. Your immune system fights off those invading viruses with weapons called antibodies. Those antibodies latch on and attach to the bad germs. Once your body has battled a specific virus, bacteria, or germ, it can recognize that germ and fight it off if it ever sees it again. Scientists have figured out that they can get our immune systems to recognize a variety of bad viruses and germs without the live and full-strength germs actually getting into your body and making you sick. It's kind of like showing wanted posters of bad viruses and bacteria to your immune system so it's prepared and ready to fight if they ever see it. Well, that's pretty much what a vaccine does. It's as if scientists have figured out a way to put pictures, pieces, or dead bad guys into a vaccine. And the way that they get those things into your body is with a needle.
Once our bodies have those pictures or dead pieces or wanted posters, our white blood cell guards will immediately be able to recognize those bad germs, understand that they're up to no good, and come to the rescue with antibodies to save us from getting sick and even dying. I know, getting stuck with a needle is no fun, but getting really sick or dying is a whole lot worse. Vaccines are awesome because they've pretty much gotten rid of a lot of really bad diseases that have killed a lot of people over the years. Smallpox has killed hundreds of millions of people, and it's pretty much gone thanks to vaccines. Things like diphtheria, polio, measles, chickenpox, mumps, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, tetanus, and even the flu all have vaccines that help people from getting sick. That's a lot of diseases that we can be protected from. The reason that many of us haven't even heard of these is for the simple reason that vaccines are working. Right now in our world, we're all being affected by the pandemic. It not only made people sick or caused their death, many countries have gone into lockdown, and many people have lost their jobs and homes and are going hungry. Everyone here at Fun Science Demos would like to give a big shout out to the scientific community. The worldwide scientific community has made an absolutely huge, heroic effort to save us from the coronavirus. by creating vaccines in record time. Now, the coronavirus vaccine works a little bit differently than the vaccines we've just described, but its goal is still the same: to save lives. Science is so cool. Just ask Alexa. Thanks for watching.
Science is cool.